Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years. Imagine that, starting in 1922 and not stopping until 1990. This bizarre medical mystery began when Osborne was weighing a hog and suddenly felt a strange sensation in his abdomen that triggered the hiccups. Doctors were baffled, and despite numerous treatments, nothing could stop them. Osborne hiccuped up to 40 times a minute during the early years, though it did slow down over time. Incredibly, he still managed to live a relatively normal life, getting married twice and raising children. His hiccups finally ceased mysteriously 1 year before his death.